Can we stay on the fact? What are the facts? Mr. President made a declaration. What are the content of that declaration? The man didn't put water in his mouth. Came out clearly. Gentlemen, fellow Nigerians, X, Y, Z. Can we fault any of the things he stated in his declaration? And remember, these are issues of serious national security. I will not even want to delve into it because the intelligence available to Mr. President, I don't have it. I don't have it. What if the declaration was not made? We got to a situation where we won't be sitting here. Now we are in Port Harcourt, in the zonal secretariat of the PDP South Zone. Assuming, who knows? Nobody says tomorrow. But intelligence available to Mr. President, sometimes shapes his decisions. I may not be, of course, even Chief Wike have said he's not happy with the declaration of emergency. Left to him alone, he would have even allowed the... no, but when you have an emergency, you suspend it. That is the meaning of emergency. That is the meaning. It's an unusual situation. It's an unusual situation. Anything emergency, if they say there's emergency here now, you won't bother to talk about this on camera. What matters to you is safety. And that is the proper interpretation and meaning of emergency. In an emergency situation, anything can, it's a no-fly zone. That is why, let me give you, recently there was protest in Lagos. People were protesting, saw the police guarding them. But in Rivers State, you can't tell because it's a state under emergency. So security is, there must be, the state must exist, that's the meaning. And Mr. President has constitutional powers to take measures necessary to keep the state and every part of Nigeria to exist.